What's up guys, it's 24 Liam here, back with another video, and I just finished icon swap objective, so let's claim these packs. And as it's team of the year, I was going to get Cassias, but I can't be bothered to do another one. So I was going to do the 83 times 25 pack. And actually, I have my dog here. Where is he? There. Do I open it? Say hi, Dougie. Hello. So yeah, let's claim him. Why does he have to walk out? It takes so long. Like, just give me the player. I need to watch him walk out. Nice. Let's hit. So submit that, and then I'll show you my team as well. So this is the squad that I used for the icon swaps objective. I didn't do the Bundesliga one. I was going to do the Prem one, but I tried that before and I got angry at it, so I did the Bundesliga one because it looked easier. And this is my main team. If you do follow me on Instagram, oh crap, sorry. I'll put I'll save up for Inform Szczesny in goal. And if you do follow me on Instagram, you would see that I did pack Inform Mbappe and Hero Pele, and also David Ginola, but I really don't like him. Insigne feels so much better. So yeah, if we can pack a team of the year, like a Prem one, maybe like Ruben Diaz or one of the midfielders, or Messi could go right in there, or team of the year Mbappe would be really nice to do a straight swap for his inform. Yeah. I'll just open these first, see if we can get anything good. So let's get into the actual pack. Those two are rubbish. Now, I did get my dog to open a pack for me before, and he did pack the Winter Wildcard Serapt. So, Dougie. There he is. Can you do that again for me? So the pack is God damn it, Dougie. Oh, that's awful pack luck. Oh, that's an awful pack. Oh God. So that's probably going to be the end of this video. That's a letdown from this man right here. Absolute shambles. So if you're still here, thanks guys for watching. I'm out. Peace.